Well, good morning, guys. How are y'all doing? How are you guys doing? I'm doing fine. I'm glad you asked. So, I was trying to, I don't know what's going on with my computer, but the video you're probably watching, today is Wednesday, the 23rd. So, you're probably watching the video from yesterday. Today, I kept trying to add these cards on it, but it keeps saying I'm not connected to the internet, which I don't understand because I can actually see like other things here. That's on, I'm actually on YouTube, but it's saying that I'm not connected. So I think I'm gonna just leave this going until later, but maybe I'm gonna plug it up just to be on the safe side because I won't get back until probably like 6 o'clock. So yeah, that's what I was currently doing. Thanks so much too for some of y'all's lovely comments in most of the videos. I appreciate it. But some of these comments, I'll be like, watch the whole video before you comment, please, because I just don't be understanding. I mean, I might just give you a heart. I ain't gonna say nothing because I just feel like we all grown here, so there's no need for me to do that. But yeah, I'm gonna let this sit here while I'm gone because I don't know what's going on. So anyway, guys, I hope you all are having a beautiful day today. Let me take you guys off of here in a minute. I'm gonna turn this light out. Also, if y'all want to see the light in the daytime, there's the light. I'll turn it off and then you can see. But that's how it looks. I love it. I love it. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna do a couple things with you guys before I get out of here. I have to actually I got some coffee, some tea, something to put in your belly. Y'all, it's 66 degrees right now here, so hopefully it'll warm up today. Yesterday was, oh my gosh, y'all, yesterday was so cold. Like, I'm not complaining, but it was cool. Let me see if I can tap that to fix it. Yeah, it was really cool. So I need to grab a jacket just in case, because I know later on this evening it will get a little nippy. So yeah, it's gonna get a little nippy. So I don't want to get cold. So y'all want to see outfit of the day? So that's my jacket, and this is my outfit of the day. What you got to say? So I'm gonna use some of this cologne, y'all, today. Sometimes, don't you like this? I don't know about y'all, but do y'all ever try on your boyfriend's or husband's stuff? I don't know. Sometimes I like it. Sometimes I do, just a little bit. And then too, it'll keep. Sometimes that's like a weapon. It'll keep the man away from you. Get away from me. Get back. Get back. It's a joke. No, it ain't. But yeah, I'm gonna mix a little Black Woman. Black Woman is a Yasso oil from someone that I know that makes it, and a lot of people know it. Tila, I forgot her last name. Tila. I haven't seen you on the channel, Tila, in a long time. You probably just don't comment, but she knew what she wears it as well. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing today, and this is outfit of the day today. So guys, I'm gonna come back because I need to just clean up a few things. I need to change the shower curtain and get rid of the other one, because the other one, I'll just show y'all real quick instead of talking about it so y'all can understand what I'm saying. But I need to straighten up the back room, change the shower curtain. Yeah, so let's go in the closet. And we're gonna let me turn the light on. Ooh, super bright, yeah. We're gonna get this shower curtain that was recently hauled, y'all, with the tufted. So we'll get that. Let's turn the light off. And then we're gonna head into the bathroom because she's gonna change the shower curtain today. And I want to show y'all something real quick while I'm in here. Let me put my coffee down. Hold on. It's so good. So good. So anyway, guys, do y'all remember when I bought this Davis toothpaste? It came with this, but I didn't understand what it was for. But actually what this is, let me see if I can put y'all down and I can show y'all what this does. And then you can also save it for other toothpastes. you actually take this and you will take you will press it like so. And you see how it flattens the toothpaste down? That's what this is for. I absolutely love that. See that? So guys, that's why I always say, you know, sometimes I always say, I like to buy things with multiple uses because it just works well. So guys, I'm going to do some things around the house, and I'll bring you guys along, and then we'll be back, okay? But I'm running out of time because I really have to get ready to go. But I just wanted to show you what I'm having. I'm going to take I already had my cup of coffee, but I'm going to take my smoothie with me. This will be my lunch today. So I'm just going to show you. I have mango, pineapple, cinnamon, turmeric, pepper. I have bananas in here, and I have cinnamon here, and a piece of ginger. So this was the ginger from yesterday. So this is what it looks like. And today I'm going to be using my, it says shake it really well, my oat milk. One of my subscribers, Naturally Gifted, thank you. She said it's really good. So I have been wanting to try it anyway, but yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pour that in here. And then we're going to blend her. Then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like after I blend it. All right, guys, moment of truth. Ooh, yeah, this is my first time trying oat milk, so hopefully it might be good. I ain't gonna say it might. I know it's gonna be good. Anything healthy is good for you, even if you don't like healthy. But this is the consistency of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. One of my big straws. I don't want that one today. I'm gonna use this one. So let's go ahead and taste. It's really good. Excuse me, y'all. It's so good. It's choking me. I was going too fast. I got too excited. So it's good. So, like I said, this is my lunch. I will be taking with me. I will see you guys later. When I come back, I will show you guys. The wall got plastered yesterday. We finally got that, excuse me, together. So when I come back, we'll paint the wall there. I'll show you how it turned out from the plaster and all that good stuff. So I'll see you guys later once I am home from work. Guys, woo, y'all, I am officially finally home from today's ordeal. It's like 5:30. I gotta go to MJ's game in a little while. I'll probably put that in this clip at the end, and then I'm gonna end the video. But guys, I'm gonna show y'all how I put this big monstrosity. Look, this is the house. This is her home right now. She's so big, so it's like when you come into the space, bam, bam. She looks so good. So guys, like I said, we tried to remove it. It ain't working. I'm gonna put something over it after we try. What you call? They're not pliers, but they're called vice grips, and try to turn this because it's stuck. But this all got to be replaced. So yeah, guys, I am like I said, just now getting home. I'm gonna turn this camera around and show you a few things that I picked up from Walmart today, because I had to drive in that location area today where I was able to go there and get some of the paints, which I'm happy about. So guys, I picked up some of this Chick-fil-A sauce, the Polynesia. Even though I don't eat Chick-fil-A, I did read the ingredients. There's no milk or egg in it, so I'm cool on that. I got some butter pecan, so delicious, dairy-free ice cream. All that's from Walmart. And I got some vegetarian vitamin C. This was like $3 something, which is not bad. I got that because I needed it, because the other stuff that I had have like meat byproducts or something that I researched. Even though it was supposed to be some name brand stuff, it still had stuff in it that wasn't supposed to be there. I got some acrylic paint, black paint. I got some high gloss white paint, and I got the antique gold paint. They gave me this one for 50 cents because it didn't have a label. So I got all three of the colors. So I will be doing my canvas, and I picked up from Dollar Tree nearby one of these. So let's see if it works. Okay, we're gonna see if this works. I'm gonna be mad if it don't work, and then I'm gonna show you guys the where the wall gonna get painted at. So let me see. Let's see. Y'all remember this mop I hauled? We're gonna see if this fits on here, because y'all remember I was using a rag. Oh, okay. Y'all, we're in business. Ow! It does work. It does work. So thank you, thank you. So guys, I'm gonna turn this camera around and we're gonna get the paint, okay? All right, guys, hope you guys can see. So I just want to show you real quickly. All of this is smooth. All the areas that I showed you yesterday, because it's all plaster and it's all flattened. So you just use this thing here with some spackle, and yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to paint, and I will see you guys and catch y'all in another video tomorrow, okay? So don't forget to love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place, okay? Y'all, there go, do y'all see MJ right there dancing? Right here? He right there. And there go Mark right there. Y'all see him? Y'all see him with his, touching his shoes? Oh. Y'all see him now? There we go, right there. Go, go, go! Oh, oh, that's all right. Y'all, he upset. You gonna say hi? Okay. Run, MJ, run, run!